is for a lot of you are already tuning in with Glitz. So many live videos. You know how I doing this one. I think is toothpicks. I could be wrong. Or so, you can get it from Walmart or Target. They have a bunch of them for like a couple dollars. And I just get 5. You know, like 5 of them or 4 of them, however strings, like a line you want to do at the same time. So I did some of them I did 3, and some of them I did 4, and some at 5, and then I just use a Scotch tape and tape them together. I did a bunch of them and put in the containers, and then when the clients come with the designs, it's just use one and just discard it after you're done. So it's already like completely dry after 60 seconds. I even like it just as it is.
That's
super cute. All right, so now only we need is to pick up the weaver gel. It's really stringy, so you can pick it up. If you want your string to be thicker, you can pick a little, dip it in a little bit like more. Okay, I'm gonna do that one on the other side. Same thing. Okay, that's all I want. You can add more as you need, okay? So all you need is close this on.
There you go for the encapsulation lace mesh. We have a couple of videos on it, but yes, hang on that. We might give you another.
We have the
sometime later.
We have the it's for Nico, right? Margarita, hello, how are you? Hey Mika, thanks so much for tuning in. Nico, we do have a lot of videos, like several videos for the encapsulate lace. So if you can shoot us the DM, we can able to send you some link for that one. All right, so you ready? And it's still wet, so don't key anything. We are going to sprinkle yours sugaring. I did a lot. I make sure that it's absorbing it to that. Tap it. Make sure that it's getting to that one. Make sure you get your tray to catch of the excess your sugaring. Okay. And now don't dust anything off yet. We're gonna keep it for 60 seconds, okay?